Alright, welcome back everyone. So I'm going to be coating the other side of the roof here. And I want to show you another product that I picked up when I bought some coating saver applicators. So these are the Autofiber saver sheets. These are 4x4 sheets. This is what they look like. It's just a sheet and it's got the barrier in the middle. And the way you use these is just like a suede. You just wrap it around your block here. Or you can just use it, like I'm going to try this with wheels as well. It's just using this and getting in there. But again, you can just use that. So let me go ahead and put this down because I really don't need it. These are I forget how much they were, but I bought these during a sale. They pop this up, but again, they're like the saver applicators. They got, these have the barrier in there. And one thing I will note is that the jade graphene ceramic does harden on the applicator. This thing is really crispy. I went to go grab dinner, and this side's starting to get crispy on the edges here. So it does have some high solid in there, and then this is the suede block that I use. I mean, it's pretty darn stiff. I use it on the hood over here, and I think these are these are for the PNS view. You guys already seen those. So let me just go ahead and try this on here, and then we'll see how these work. I haven't used these at all. Take another towel up here so I can rest my phone. I'll put my phone in my pocket here. I'll just put it right here. So, I mean, these are the coating wipe-off towels that I'm using. Since I went to dinner, I just shaked up the jade quartz bottle here, and then I'll just throw some product on here. So this is the first time I'm using this suede. I'll just go ahead and load it up a little bit with extra coating on here. I put this. I'm actually going to put this in my pocket so I don't drop it. And then, you're just going to use it like this. Move the camera down a little bit so you guys can see. So I'm just going to take this. I'll draw a line, like I said, a puddle line in here, and then I will just go ahead and apply the coating. I'm doing half the roof. There's plenty of product on here. I could actually do the entire roof with this, but I'll just do it this way. And so I'm going to cross hatch this 4 times, because at 4 times it thins out the product to the point where it sets up faster. And then I'll take it off, and I'm just going to go ahead and go on that guy. Now I get in this valley right here. So just set that here, and it doesn't take long for this to set up. You guys have seen the video for wipe-off towels. I think I was using the same type of towels here, the Rupes one, and then this IGL one. I just flipped 2 clean sides. Okay, so I noticed it's starting to, so one thing I noticed is that the second coat of the coating is going on a lot. It's starting to flash quicker. So I literally don't have to wait that long. So it's already kind of tacked up. I can actually see it on my glove. So I don't have to wait as long to wipe off. So the second layer is going a lot faster. And I noticed this after I had finished the other side. It was starting to haze up rather quick. So just one thing to keep in mind, that the jade coating, the second layer is going to go in a lot quicker than the first one. Okay. We'll take this IGL towel. I don't know about these IGL towels. I don't know if I really like them. I bought them to try out. I don't know if I wipe this down. I bought them to try out, but I don't know. They feel kind of cheap. I don't know if you can see that coating that I pushed over there has hazed. And then these Rupes towels are loading up really fast. So I think I got it all. some right here. That's it. I mean, I just wanted to show you that coating saver sheet. Put those tiles right there. So if you guys are looking to try these out, so far, I mean, this is the first time, this is the initial impression on this. I think it's a pretty cool little idea. You can just have a 4x4 if you're used to using the suede block and everything. But so far, initial impressions are pretty good on this thing. If you guys looking to pick these up, you can pick them up on Autofiber. I'll post a link where you guys can get these little sheets on there. It's got the barrier in the middle, like I was saying, so it's going to save product, and you can use both sides. And these are the Terry versions, so you can see that they form pretty well. So the only thing is, I don't know, I haven't tried it. If you can, this is an older carpet block. If you tuck it in, you know, if it's going to be too thick or not. So again, just a quick little video. Hope this helps. This is the Autofiber coating saver sheet, and these are 4x4. So again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.